BECU has traditionally been the #1 lender in the state of Washington. Cuddle has been a great partnership in that most of the dealerships in Western Washington, where our bulk of our business comes from, are Cuddle first dealerships. The other platforms that they use maybe are second and third options for them, and Cuddle is the primary option, making us an easy way to click and submit applications, and we're front of mind. And in this market, Origence and Cuddle has done a fantastic job of making sure their brand and presence is known, and that's a big help to us. I am Andy Wing. I'm the Senior Manager of Indirect Lending and Dealer Management at BECU. So we are based in Tukwila, Washington. We are $30 billion in assets, and we are about $1.5 million in membership right now. BECU is a founding investor in Origence, and we've been there from the very beginning. They're our sole provider. We use Cuddle, and then with ArcOS is the platform in which loan documents come through. We also use an automated batching process through Origence Lending Services, and we're also looking at potentially some other products as well. One of the key things that we've expanded upon is refi partners, and through our connection with Cuddle, this is one of the things they brought to us. And we went down that path, and we've had great success in that refi program. We brought on 4 vendors, and our volumes continue to grow, and the success of that channel has made us want to continue to expand it. I think that's directly from our partnership with Cuddle and Origence, and we've seen awesome success in that. In our Eastern Washington market, we've had a challenge in growing that market. A new representative was hired in that market and brought new, fresh ideas, and has helped our rep in that market actually grow that market, especially on the RV side, suggested new dealerships, done ride-alongs. That person goes out and promotes BECU, and we've seen a lot of success come from that and better relationships from it. And so that's a great example of that strategic partnership. Smart Fund is a great product that we've used, and I think it's a differentiator. Old school method used to be they would mail those packets in or even fax them into a lender. And what they can do now is they can scan those documents into a PDF and upload it into Cuddle's system, and then that comes directly over to us. We've seen great success with it. I think the adaptation to e-contracting that's coming and being implemented right now is the next wave that's going to be extremely successful. And it'll be a tool that I think BECU in the future will be able to use, and the efficiencies from that will be very important. AutoSmart, I think, is a great tool for members to use. They can look at inventory specific to brand, and then it lists the dealership, lists price, contact information. BECU does 2 sales a year in the spring and the fall, where we give a rate discount and we promote it and we market it. It's over a 3-day weekend. And that AutoSmart website's a big factor in that. The members can go look at the cars before they go in. They can see that they're associated with BECU and direct lending, and it helps them in their car buying process. One thing I'd like to highlight about the team at Origence is there's 2 sides of it, the lender support side and like the dealer support side. And I think we get great representation from both sides. So our lender support team meets with us quarterly. They're always available for a phone call whenever needed. They give us market trends, industry updates, the competitor updates even, and things that we can look at. And they also pitch new products and services that may be beneficial to us. And then the dealer side too, our representatives in market, especially in that Eastern Washington market, has been extremely helpful in growing our brand and our presence. That support has been fantastic. It's helped us grow, helps to expand that market even more, especially with some new partnerships we brought on. And so we feel like that's a great part of our strategic partnership.